welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make onion rings. This is a very delicious snack recipe, very easy and a healthy snack. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 2 onions for this recipe. Peel off the skin and keep it ready. Now cut it into thick slices like this. Make sure not to make it very thin or very thick. It should be just right. Now separate the rings. Now we are ready with the onion rings, so let's go and make the outer coating. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of maida, half cup of corn flour, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chilli powder, a teaspoon of oregano and a teaspoon of chilli flakes. Mix all the ingredients well with a spoon. Now it's all well mixed, so separate 4 tablespoons of the mixture to another small bowl. To the remaining mixture, add water and mix it well until you get a dripping consistency. Now we have the proper dripping consistency. Now we are ready with the dry mixture, wet mixture and a saucer full of breadcrumbs. I've already made a video on how to make breadcrumbs. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Now coat the onion rings in the dry mixture first, then in the wet mixture and finally on the breadcrumbs. Now it's ready to get fried. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the onion rings one by one. Add 3 to 4 rings at a time. Fry in medium flame for a minute. Then flip it to the other side and again fry for a minute in medium flame. Now it's well fried and golden brown in color, so let's now remove it. Now our delicious onion rings are ready. Serve it hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this onion rings recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.